Storm Tracker weather starts now with Chief Meteorologist Curtis Grevenance.
All right, welcome back, everybody. So this is a picture of a smoke jumper coming out of the plane yesterday working the Hilger Valley fire. Boy, that fire got going and firefighters responded. We've got no smoke plume today, which certainly is nice, but some big thunderstorm clouds off in the distance. Snuck up to 89. Whew. 2 days of hot stuff right near 90. The air quality is good in Helena. It was not good on the High Line in eastern Montana earlier. We were between moderate and unhealthy for sensitive groups. 70s and 80s, 90 in Miles City. Look at Missoula, 94. Got some localized stronger wind because of the thunderstorms. Get near some of the thunderstorms, get some of that gusty wind. Helena, no storms nearby here just yet. Here's the latest on the Hilger Valley fire, 288 acres. Couple of storms off towards the north there. Notice this little line that sneaks down right there. That's the outflow from a thunderstorm. So some wind right there. Don't want a lot of wind near that fire. There you can see the showers and thunderstorms across the state. Of course, it started out nice and quiet today, and then boom, that's a lot of lightning, especially up in the Bob and the Rocky Mountain front there. So Helena, a nice thunderstorm popping up, looks like right around Casey Peak or so. A few storms down the Boulder Valley. We've got a few showers and thunderstorms, mainly north and northwest of Great Falls, but boy, the Rocky Mountain front just getting dumped on with some of this rain, with the thunderstorm activity going through. Some of these storms reaching out east. Watch how that thunderstorm just kind of stays right there. I mean, it's redeveloping, but just east of the big snowies, some pretty heavy rain right there, and a lot of lightning. It's a little nerve-wracking to see all that lightning activity, but fortunately it's June 10th and not July or August 10th. And we've got a bunch of activity through the Rockies, some rain and storms on the Gulf Coast and up into the Northeast. So right now, it looks like, Helena, the storms will be north and to the south here the rest of this evening. That may turn severe with some strong wind later on. And then heading into Wednesday, mostly cloudy, and we'll have another disturbance coming up, some showers, maybe a few thunderstorms here. It's a stormy day again for a lot of the state. Showers and thunderstorms scattered about. Some of that rain will be very nice eastern half of the state as we go through Wednesday night into Thursday. It's good rain up on the High Line, and then some of those thunderstorms may come at us later in the day on Thursday. Helena, air quality is probably going to be okay for most of this week. Some smoke, Canadian wildfire smoke up on the High Line here, but doesn't really look like it gets into the Helena area to affect our breathing air quality here. So tonight, 50s and storms mainly north and south. There may be something that redevelops and comes in just a little bit. Tomorrow, I think there's a better chance at seeing some wetting rains across the area here. A little cooler weather with the clouds and some of those thunderstorms. And outside chance, it's low here. Widespread would not be good, but in this green area, there's a couple of isolated thunderstorms that may produce wind up to 60, 65 miles an hour and some 1-inch diameter hail. Thursday, partly cloudy, 80 degrees, a couple of scattered showers and thunderstorms. Friday, we could have some big thunderstorms in the afternoon, capable of producing some downpours and some heavy rain and some of that lightning and wind as well. Into Saturday, a mostly sunny day, about 84, some thunderstorms in the afternoon, maybe a little stronger up there on the High Line. All right, here's the 7-day forecast. So yeah, kind of missed us here, the thunderstorms, that is, today. Tomorrow, we'll have scattered showers and thunderstorms. Thursday, later in the afternoon, we might have a storm, same with Friday, and Saturday and Sunday, a couple of storms around. Monday and Tuesday look a little drier, but boy, these temperatures are staying warm.